Okay guys, I'm back. I'm starting to think the alternate flash was due to a low flame sensor. And of course, as you know, I already cleaned this one. So it's probably dirty again. It probably has to be replaced. I waited the hour, and when the unit came on, the yellow light was flashing. But then it stopped once the air started blowing. And got up to temp, went off, came back on within the last minute. Yellow light was flashing again. It stopped once the air started blowing. So I'm thinking I'm going to take the sensor out again, clean it, but after this winter is over, I'm definitely going to replace it. I might as well replace the igniter. Hold off on the board. I just think it's the sensor. Looking at some other videos, the alternate flash could be an indicator of a low flame sensor. And I think since it does stay on, it's okay, but it's not going to last long. So just want to keep you up to speed with what's going on. All right, this should be it for this video now. You guys take care. Bye. Okay guys, upon further review, you know I can't stay away. I'm going to take this burn off that the sensor sits in. There's the sensor there. I'm going to take it off, clean it. I'm also going to clean the sensor, and then that should last me until this winter is over. Then I'll replace the sensor and the igniter here. So again, let's get started. All right guys, I just took it out. Yeah, it's ready to go. Maybe it's time. I can clean it off and get that stuff off of there. But this will be it this year for this sensor. You know what, folks? I think as a safety measure, I'm gonna turn the gas off here, because just in case, I want to just take these screws out, pull this off. I might have to push forward and lift up, but either way, I want to be safe. All right, guys, just to give you a quick follow-up. No blinks from the yellow whatsoever. I cleaned off the flame sensor real good. I attempted to clean the burner, but it's the casing around it is so, the screws are just under the casing. It's hard to explain, but it's the burner is in there real good. So, but the previous two times I did notice that the yellow was blinking, and I think what probably happened was there were some issues, and it did a 1 hour lockdown mode, but I ended up just cutting off the unit as I stated before and turning it back on. But now, no blinks whatsoever. So, like I stated before, I'm going to get rid of this sensor. Might as well get a new igniter too. All right, that's it. I won't be back. Take care. Bye.